The sealing method is best for those that might get a little squeamish at the thought of their finger going directly into the eye. If you have long nails, you might also prefer this way, as it doesn't involve pinching your lens off. It might be good to watch this video a few times through so you can get the hang of it before you go for it. If you're a monthly lens wearer, you'll want to make sure you have your case and solution handy. Keep your glasses nearby so you can put them on once you take your lens out. So, let's get started. Wash and dry your hands really well to get the best grip. Look into the mirror and tilt your head down slightly. Reach over to the eye you are removing your lens from, pulling the eyelid and lashes up to maximize space. Using your middle finger, pull the lower eyelid down. Look up to the ceiling and position your index finger at the bottom of the lens. You will apply pressure to sweep the lens down. The lens will naturally want to drift back to the center of your eye, as that's where it's made to fit. But keep trying until you feel it dislodge. Once it's moved off the center of your eye towards the white part, you should be able to pull it down with the pad of your finger. Once it's out, simply dispose of the lens if it's daily, or put back into solution for monthlies. You will probably need a few attempts to get it right, but don't give up. It just takes a bit of practice. Make sure to give yourself and your eyes a bit of a break between tries. Get a cup of tea and jump back to it when you're ready. If this method wasn't the one for you, there are still 2 other ways to try. Check out video 1, removing front on, or video 3, side removal. And don't forget, our optical experts are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So give them a call if you're still struggling. Find their contact info in the caption below.